India celebrates Republic Day on the 26th of January every year. On this day, in 1950, our country adopted the Indian Constitution. Republic Day reminds us that India is united in diversity. We honor our freedom fighters and brave soldiers. Our Constitution gives us justice, liberty, and equality. Let us celebrate this day with pride and responsibility. Happy Republic Day!
Please like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.